Hello friends, welcome to Zerosack Networks Private Limited Learning Center. Today in this video we are going to talk about overview of AdWords account. So let's get started. First of all, log into AdWords account using your credentials. Now the first screen that's shown to you is called AdWords Dashboard. In this dashboard you can see performance report of all campaigns. Now next tab is Recommendations. Here AdWords give you some suggestions about your campaigns, ad groups, and ads. Now click to any of the campaign from your left side menu bar or sub-menu. After clicking to any particular campaign, you will find all settings and option to manage your campaign. Now next tab is Ad groups. Every campaign consists group of ad group. You can create one and more ad group in a campaign. Now next tab is Ads and extensions. Every ad group consists group of ads, or collection of ads called ad group. You can create one or more ads in one ad group. Now next tab is Ads extensions, where you can add some extensions, like call extensions, where your ad will appear with call button so user can call you for service and product related queries. There are many more extensions that we will discuss later in detail. Now next tab is Automated extensions, where extensions generated automatically as per your business and website needs. In ads section you can create multiple or variety of ads for same keywords, but only best performing ads will shows to the most of the user. Next tab is Landing pages. In this section you will see all the users who landed or redirect on which page while clicked on your ads. Next tab is Keywords. Keywords are words that are related to your product and services, so your ads will appears in search engine result page when user searches some terms related to your keywords. In upcoming videos we are going to discuss about different type keywords match type. But if you want to learn about keywords match type you can read my article, link in description. You can simply add keywords that are relevant to your business, by clicking on plus sign. After click, choose your ad group. And write down some keywords that suitable for your business. At starting use only 15 to 20 keywords per ad group. And save the list. You can see your new keywords in keywords list. Next tab is Negative keywords list. This is list of keywords that are not relevant to your business. Negative keywords list is important as keywords list. Next tab is Audience. Here you can select your targeted audience to see your ads by observing their actions and behavior. Next tab is Demographics. In this section you can see your ads user interaction based on their age, gender and income. Next tab is Placement. Here you can see report of where your ads appeared in different Google networks, like search and display networks, etc. Next tab is Settings, where you can edit or update your campaign settings, like campaign name, status, goal, placement network, locations, language, daily budget, bidding strategies, time schedules, dynamic ads using your website URL, ad rotation strategies, location option based on user behavior, campaign URL option where you can add different type of parameter to track user, and send user to specific URL. And finally IP address exclusion. Next tab is Location. Here you can add your targeted country, state, city, area and radius, where you want to show your ads. Next tab is Ad Schedule. If you want to run your ads for particular day or day of time, then this section is very useful. Next tab is Devices. Here you can see the list of devices for your ads in which running. You can also set different bids for particular devices using bid adjustment. Next section is Advanced Bid Adjustment. Here you can set different bidding for some action like calls and message. Next tab is Change History. This section is most important feature in new AdWords. Here you can see your activity history. This section also provide the facilities to undo the recent changes. Next tab is Drafts and Experiments. Here you can save your campaign as draft and run your campaign as experiment. That's it for today. In the next section we are going to learn how to create your first search campaign. Till then, have nice day. If you have any doubt and queries, please post your comment. We will definitely solve your queries through special AdWords video series. Please share and subscribe our channel to support our work.